Tommy AK are back with another video, and if you could tell, we're gonna do some fireworks today. It's gonna be really epic, guys. And I'm at Mount Kisto, and let's go, guys. Fireworks.
Okay, fireworks. You wanna go with Mama?
Rosie!
Watching, right?
Yep, Petey, I'm watching.
You want to see the next dash?
Wow, that was a nice one. Oh! Oh! Nuke 'em. Looks like a dildo.
Looks like a
Well, I'm going to Bruno Mars. Epic.
Look, it's all the way up there in the sky.
They're like so close to us.
That's is watching. That's is not cute. Kitty, high five.
Wow, that's awesome.
That was a red one, Peter. Look at that. Oh, that's purple. Look at that, look at that. That's red. Pink and red.
So it's not good. That is good.
Woo! Green's my favorite color. That's where the fireworks happening. Wait. That's where the fireworks are happening, in that little spot.
Okay.
The fireworks are happening literally right there.
It's all over there.
They're happening right there. Small.
Finale, the baby. The guy in the plane, you're lucky they can see that.
Oh, the fireworks gonna hit the plane. Watch out for the plane. No, oh no. It's gonna hit the plane. It's gonna hit the plane. Oh no, no plane. Oh, they got, the plane's falling. The plane's falling. Wow, that's awesome. Man. Oh, it's starting to rain. It's starting to rain. Oh, rocket. Boom, I knew it. There's a grenade. Knew it. Honestly, I think they're a star. Yup, stars. Regular. Yep. Sparkles. Triple. Knew it. Triple colored. Fives. Yes. What?
Put all the files on here.
What the? Whoa! This said #1, I think. Do another one of those. Whoa. Bruno Mars, let's go. I need to lay down. Oh my God. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, that's awesome. Next one. Tank. Tank it. I knew it. Tank it. Tanks. Tanks. Knew it. Ooh. Oh, triplet. Yep, I knew it. Triplet. Whoa. Wow. Oh, this is awesome. Whoa. I bet something bad is gonna happen. What? Called it. I called it. I called it. I called it. Yup. Oh god, the grass is killing me. That's so awesome! That's my foot. That's that. Hashtag that's its foot. Guys, write that in the comment. Write that down in the comments. Say hashtag that's a foot. And post a picture of it on my Instagram. And tag me on my Instagram. It's Tomas Velasco. Tomas.Velasco. Catch me, you'll see me with the peace sign. And you should know who I look like. What the? That's not big. Oh my. Gunfire. Whoa. Whoa. Wait, did that just make like a little face of Charlie Brown? Look, it's Mars. Whoa. Oh my god.
So pretty. Here comes one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys with another video. Bye.